As you see, my headlight is like that and it's sucking. So instead of buying a new one, I decided to try this here before buying a new one. I bought this at Harbor Freight stuff, so we're gonna use it and see how it turns out. So first we're gonna mask the surroundings. I'm reading the instructions this time. It says wash with water and soap. All right, washed. We're gonna get this thing here, put on our drill, and get the 500. It says 500 here, so I think we're good. So now everything is milky or white, so we are gonna get the 800. I'm gonna get water. It doesn't say to put water, but I don't think it's right. Finally, 3000 green, and let's do it. So now the final step, we get the little sponge polishing compound. I just put a new tape there to separate, but yeah, it's definitely worth. Look at this, $11. You get all this kit with a bunch of 500s, few 800s, and two 3000s, and the compound. So if you're thinking about using one of those, I highly recommend. Look at this. The more it dries, the more difference you can see. That one is brand new, so you can see the difference, but it was yellow. So from the far, you can barely tell that was all yellow. I'm very happy with it. So don't forget to subscribe. I have lots of videos coming. Supra, BMW 2JZ, truck, and Eclipse. So love you. Thanks for the support, guys. Later.